Oh yeah, here we go. Another good fish. Oh yeah. This lovely bass. Took the bait. So normal tactics for me, simple running ledger setup, 4-ounce lead, large circle hook and nice fresh ragworm, and then I'm just lobbing it out, not far. Let it sink down, tighten up gently. 4 ounces is enough to hold bottom here. It's not a particularly big or strong tide today, so that should sit nicely. We wait for some bass. We're in straight away. Look at this. Just setting up the second rod and we're in. Bang. Looks like a good bass. I'm crazy. Nice. Lovely fight on light tackle. Is he ready to come in? Oh, no, not yet. Let's lift him in. Right away. Look at that. Well, that's a bloody good start. What a good start that was. Good sized bass, that one. Lovely sunny bass. Let's measure you. "45 centimeters. What a great start that is. 45. I'll take that. Look at you. That's a lovely bass to start with. What a good start. Getting some nibbles. Tap. Oh. I think we're in to a little one. Yeah, doesn't feel very large, but we're in. Yeah, little schoolie bass. Just hooked on the nose, look at that. There you go, little guy. Back he goes. Ooh, missed that one. Missed a bite there. Strong bite. Missed it. Keep that right here because I'm getting some definite visuals on the sounder, and there's another clump of bait coming through. yeah, oh yeah, here we go. Another good fish. That was quite an aggressive take, that one. Felt good initially, but not sure now. Oh, he's not bad, he's not bad. Not a bad one. Still very lively. Oh yeah, it's going for another run. Let's just bring it back in nicely. That's a good one, actually. Another good sized bass. Hello, happy days. Hope it's gone down a bit far. Let's get my scourger out. What we got this time? 44 this time. It's another lovely bass. 44 centimeters. Well, that was absolutely fantastic. Look at that. Big blobs coming through. We got another one, very small, another tiny little one. Back you go, little guy. Right, so I've changed spots, come to the other side of the estuary. A little bit shallower here, 2.4 meters. It's done quite well for me before this particular spot, so yeah, let's give it a go. What have we got? 16.6 degrees water temperature. Yeah, 2.4 meters of water. There's a little bit of slightly rougher ground here, I think. That's why I've had bass from here before, that bit of rough ground. Right, let's go for it. That was almost instant. We're on straight away. Looks like a schoolie bass. There's still bass here, that's for sure. I love this little spot. Let's get you in quick. Hopefully there's some bigger ones. Ah. Hopefully there's some bigger ones. Another one. Another little schoolie, slightly bigger, but not quite big enough. It was right under the boat, that one. Here you go, little guy. Yeah, had to get one of that. There you go. Yeah, we got one. It went pretty quiet there for a while. We're back on. Oh, I don't know, might have some weed on it. Literally just weed, no fish. Great. Well, this area isn't really producing today, this particular spot anyway. So I'm gonna head up, I think, head back up the river. It's slack tide now, so it's going to start ebbing. So I'll make my way up that way and try one more spot on my way back. Yeah, there was only a couple of little schoolies from this particular spot, so let's move on from here. I think try somewhere else. Look at this for a cheeky little spot. Just gonna tuck myself in here, have a couple of casts before we head off. Just try to get my bait in amongst those pylons. Gonna be a very easy cast, but we'll try. Oh, not bad at all. Let's see. There's anything down there. We've got something. Hey, still on. Yeah, nice bass. Oh yes. Well, that paid off. That paid off nicely. Look at this. Oh yeah. That's a beauty. Let's get you measured. Oh. Got on this one 43. Lovely. What an absolute beaut. Evening sunshine. How's that? Bass next to the pylons. Thought it was worth a shot here. Nice. Let's get him back. Away he goes. We got another one. Let's see. Not sure. Doesn't feel very big, this one. Oh, he's waking up now though. Hey. Oh. Nice. A little bit smaller than the last one. That'll do though. Another lovely bass next to these pylons. They love a bit of structure. Look at you. Beautiful. Oh, run away. Off he goes. Oh yeah. Another one. Ah, he dropped off. Got away. That's it guys, calling it a day now. Had an absolutely brilliant time. Some nice bass, 45 centimeters, 44 centimeters, a few others around the 40 to 42 mark, and then loads of schoolies. Didn't film every single schoolie I got, but yeah, what an evening it's been. Absolutely love it here. Fantastic spot. What a great day. Catch you next time, guys. Cheers.